How is it going, Samsung users? Mr. Android here. Well, if you're using an Android phone and especially Samsung, then there are 5 amazing apps that you must install on your Galaxy device right now. All these apps are super useful, and once you start using them on your phone, it will definitely enhance your smartphone using experience. For that being said, make sure to watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for 1500 likes on this video. So drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Let's talk about the first one, and it's called Samsung TV Plus. It's a free application made by Samsung which lets you watch live channels, TV shows and movies directly on your phone. This app was initially launched in limited number of countries, but right now it's available for users in India as well. To get this on your phone, all you have to do is head over to your Galaxy store and search Samsung TV Plus. Simply install the app and you are good to go. Now let's talk about the content that it offers. In India, it has 27 TV channels, and I'm sure they are going to add more with the coming updates. You can watch the content for absolutely free, you don't have to pay any subscriptions, and even you don't have to add your debit or credit card as well. Guys, the best part about the app is it also supports picture-in-picture mode, which means you can do multitasking on your phone while watching your favorite content. Overall, the quality of video and audio is great, and for the price of free, it's definitely worth trying out. Next up, we have an app which goes by the name called Control Center. If you are using Edge panels on your Galaxy device, then it's going to be super useful for you. Basically, it's an extension that adds iOS-like Control Center on the Edge panel that we get in Samsung phones. If I swipe from the edges of my screen, I get this beautiful looking Control Center where I can access all my quick settings. For example, I can adjust the brightness, increase the volume, turn on the torchlight, switch off my Wi-Fi connection, and it has a lot more functions like I can open my calculator, open the camera app, access my recent apps menu, take a screenshot, increase or decrease the screen on time, and even I can lock my device directly from here. Basically, you get all the quick settings and important tools inside the Control Center itself, so you don't have to open your notification panel. To get this Control Center, just go to your Galaxy store and search Control Center for Edge panel. I will also make sure to drop all the links in the description. Well, it's not a free application, it will cost you around $2, which in my opinion it's totally worth it. But I have also reached out to the developer asking for some promo codes. Let's see if I get some. I will make sure to drop them on our Telegram channel. So if you haven't already, then do subscribe to our Telegram channel. You will find a direct link in the description. How would you like it if your phone screen shows something like this while it is being charged? The app is called TrueAmps, by using which you can activate these kind of amazing animations when you are charging your device. All you need to do is download the application and allow some basic permissions which is required. Once it's done, you will get this interface where you can customize your font style, change the font color, customize the animation, add different themes. You can even place app shortcuts, get notifications, get weather info, and also define gestures. Now the app is totally free to download, but to unlock all the pro features, you will need to watch an ad. Apart from this, it's a great application, definitely try it out. Next up, we have an app called Shortcut Maker. Basically, it's an app which lets you create a shortcut for anything on your Android phone. You can create a shortcut for a website, you can create a shortcut to change your system setting, or even it lets you create a shortcut to launch any activity from an installed app. But if you are a Samsung user, then you can create some beautiful home screen by using this application. As you can see, I have this gorgeous home screen setup on my Galaxy S21 Plus, which I have created without installing any third-party launcher. What I have done is, I have applied a KWGT widget, and also I have customized these icons by using an app called Shortcut Maker. Let me show you how you can do this. Simply press and hold on your home screen, select widget, and then add this widget called Shortcut Maker. Now choose the app for which you want to create a shortcut, and from here you can easily change the icon of that particular app. Since I have installed a lot of icon packs on my phone, I can choose from a variety of different styles. Once you are done customizing the icon, simply select Create Shortcut, and that's it. Similarly, you can create different shortcuts for different applications and place them anywhere on your home screen. All in all, if you are looking for a way to customize your Samsung phone without using any third-party launcher, then it's a must-have app for you. Alright, finally we have FineLock. This is one of the best alternative that you can get for good lock application. If you are using a Galaxy device and for some reasons you are unable to find good lock in the Galaxy store, then you can go to your Play Store and download FineLock. Now, unlike the good lock application, all the modules that you see here are not pre-installed. So you need to download each and every module separately from a website called APK Mirror. Once you are done installing the modules, then you can start using them without any issue. A quick disclaimer, if you are using any M series device, then I will not suggest you to try this application. It won't work for you. It is only for Samsung A series, Note and S series users who are unable to find good lock in the Galaxy store. For M series users, I just wanted to let you know there is no proper method of installing all good lock modules in M series as of now. But I will try to find a perfect solution and make a separate video on this. So that's pretty much it guys. These are 5 amazing applications that you should install on your Samsung device right now. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.